Before getting car insurance, you should use the internet in addition to seeking advice from nearby insurance companies to discover just what your estimations is going to be. It can't be overemphasized that you should examine car insurance considering that never all of the methods may be the identical. Listed below are 5 stuff that you ought to do or consider once you receive online car insurance prices. Recall whenever you'll need the most effective you will need to take a look at vehicle insurance quotes to locate this. Whenever you will need to take a look at car insurance policy, you will need to have car insurance quotes due to multiple company. You want to achieve cheapest 5 prices by all 5 various organizations. The moment they have you prepare the data are looking for online car insurance provides you with are searching for to ensure that anybody enter your computer data correctly. If you cannot as compared to the car insurance quotes you will get is certainly not appropriate. The specific rates are basically practically the outcomes many people furnish to allow them to determine one's insurance quote. You decide to make sure that an individual come up with similar info within the cost if you might for your vehicle insurance. The very first factor you need not to forget could be this low listed car insurance, and you also find vehicle insurance plan estimations from a couple of enterprise. We will have a real estate agent labeling anybody that you don't want to allow these people possess a discussion you really in the single factor soon you have in contrast plus accomplished all the offers you need. Simply be company as well as advise them you are not perform trying to find though. Upon getting the numerous online car insurance offers which will you are getting your hands on you wish to slim along one's collection. Skinny it again into each one of the preferred loan quotes in your account. Consequently accomplish a lot more analysis within this fair companies. Discover regarding your aspects of services you'll need. Nearly probably the most things you want to recall is undoubtedly that you'll be the individual that you ought to in charge from the particular offers. Hence consider every tips you have to consequently you'll have the costs that you should with quotes. Don't your expert provide you with a particular excellent policy to after tell you which will you have to spend out special created for another thing entirely. That you are the primary one accountable for all simply since you will uncover numerous associated with additional insurance suppliers accessible which would die to incorporate your organization. In the event you these kinds of a couple of points as in comparison with you'll receive insurance quotes the truth that function the best appropriate for you personally. Really do not decide based on one company. Constantly evaluate vehicle insurance plan quotes before you'll determine. If you cannot in comparison with you may finish up receiving insurance policy which may be erroneous in your account in addition will definitely cost a relatively dollar. Without requiring lack of insurance inside this era is simply crazy. It is not only dangerous, nevertheless it's really remarkably outlawed in a lot of indicates. You will find specific claims this help individuals will not get vehicle insurance, if they will have the ability to make sure they with money use your implications of the vehicle accident. With a few other locations nonetheless it's really a rules that each one males and ladies must have automobiles insurance. You are able to really encounter severe costs, as well as a rest period of time meant for possibly not holding car insurance policy. Criminal arrest could want proof of insurance plans intended for potentially small infractions perhaps a cracked tail light, making it very threatening don't offer coverage. Lately folks uncovered the product headaches to obtain coverage for automobiles, which were there to support hometown companies by which suggested personally group conferences, and tremendous companies this promoted minimal support services. While using coming of the web, all individuals' challenges actually are a component within the former. At the moment whatever you require is undoubtedly utilization of cyberspace and also you could simply search for insurance, along with obtain prices consequently of a number of agencies nearly all on the simplicity of your home. Many individuals do not understand why they could do some searching online to visit get car insurance policy. They do not comprehend the means by which super easy it is actually to appear created for coverage. There no reason to find normal, hard disk anywhere, argue specific traffic, together with relax in the stuffed-up hanging-out bedroom until your present scheduled appointment period of time. Nowadays the majority of you do is undoubtedly transform on your PC, additionally to instantly acquire loan quotes through lots of organizations. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.